Hey families, my name is Christy, and just like you, I'm a parent here at TLA. I'm so excited to show you how easy it is to raise money for TLA by doing what you, like it or not, are already doing, shopping. It is so easy. By downloading the RaiseRight fundraising app or going to shopwithscript.com, you can purchase e-gift cards to use at checkout for items you purchase in store every day, like Target or Starbucks or HomeGoods, or purchase e-gift cards for actual gifts. You keep the full value of the card, and the school can receive up to a 20% cash bonus from the vendor. Wow! The selection is awesome, so expect to be able to purchase e-gift cards for everything from dining to gas to clothing to home improvement and from pet needs to travel. The first step is to add the free RaiseRight app to your phone. The second is to know that the PTO is always available to field your questions. Are you ready? Okay, we're in. As promised, the app is super simple to navigate and all the good stuff is front and center. More on that in a second. Today's bonuses and featured brands change often, and you'll get alerted via email regarding the latest and the greatest deals. Browsing the categories are a great way to become acquainted with the brands the RaiseRight app supports. Now, I don't know about you, but I love getting bang for my buck, so it's great how the app opens to today's bonuses or the e-cards offering the biggest cash kickback to the school. 18% back at Old Navy? Yes! I'm going to purchase this e-card now. I'm in line at the store. Here I go. Keeping in mind that e-cards are the only option for our TLA fundraiser. A physical card will not be mailed to me, so I cannot choose that option ever. No physical gift cards, no reloading. It's all electronic and it's all good. Follow the directions and enter your desired e-card purchase amount. The best part about the RaiseRight app? No math. Okay, I know, this was an easy one, but it's hard to believe I, just one shopper, raised $18 for the school. So satisfying. And how do I find all of these e-gift cards I'm purchasing? Here in the wallet section of the RaiseRight app. I've already spent my Old Navy e-card by scanning a barcode right from my phone in the store. Yay! More on how to do that in a second. But I do notice I do have a TJ Maxx combo platter gift card burning a hole in my pocket. Do I spend it in the store or gift it to someone else? Decisions. To access the gift card, just click on it. Here comes that barcode I told you about, and if I'm in the store, the salesperson just scans it. That's it. But for gifting, I'd like the card to look a little less, electronic. This is a great reminder that RaiseRight can be accessed from the convenience of your desktop. Just go to shopwithscript.com. And here, you'll find your same wallet and your TLA PTO contact person in the off chance you might need some assistance. Now we're talking. The desktop version provides you with more control in printing that e-gift card you'd actually like to gift, even if it's to yourself. Ha! Thank you so much for listening to TLA PTO's RaiseRight app tutorial. To get started, you'll need an invite. It will come from Shop with Script via your email. If you haven't received one by the date promised, never hesitate to contact us directly for that invite or any hand-holding you may need. Happy shopping, everyone, and thank you so much for supporting your PTO.